We are Hazal and Nidhi, two best friends who have been documenting their journey through medical school for the past 5 years. And finally, the day is here, where we graduate and become the first doctors in our families. I had the morning graduation ceremony at 10 a.m, while Hazal's was at 1 p.m, so I got to uni super early to get my gown. Rounding up 11 family members at 8 a.m. is no joke, but thankfully we got there on time. Such a shame that Hazal and I weren't in the same graduation ceremony due to initials, but luckily Barts in the London have a second graduation ceremony in the evening called Rites of Passage, so we'll get to experience that together. Cue the moment we've all been waiting for: Dr. Nidhi Kitenge, MBBS, and Dr. Hazal Turaj, MBBS, walking across the graduation stage.
Hazal Turaj. Nidhi Kitenge.
It was genuinely such a surreal moment, one of the greatest moments of my life, seeing my parents cheer me on and achieving a life goal that I've put so much into for the past 5 years. And getting to celebrate and experience this alongside my amazing friends was the icing on the cake. After some tears, laughter, photos, food, and more photos, it was time for Rites of Passage at St. Paul's Cathedral. This is a second ceremony held by Barts in the London School of Medicine and Dentistry. You get additional reward for essay prizes, contributions you've made to university life, and we also get to say the declaration together. At this point, guys, I'm not gonna lie, I had blisters all over my feet, so definitely wear comfortable shoes during graduation and bring lots of water for dehydration.
Dr. Nidhi Kitenge. Dr. Hazal Turaj. With distinction in year 1 and merit in year.
Thank you all for being a part of our journey to med. Thank you to my sister Hazal for doing this journey with me. Thank you to all of my family and friends whom I could not have done this without. This is the end of a chapter, but a beginning of a new era. So stick around to see what's in store.